halimbawa yung ano, wala akong alam-alam diyan. Mr. Mouth, why you are angry? Really, your emoji is really ugly. Your emoji is really ugly. I don't like that emoji. It's just like if you look that emoji, the emoji will eat you, will swallow you. I don't like that emoji. It's really ridiculous. It's not good. Pati dyan sa tawang emoji na green, inis na inis ako dyan kasi pag nakikita ko dyan, it's an emoji. Yeah, it's an emoji, but it's not good. That one is ugly.